Let me show you one of the easiest digital marketing strategies if you're over 40. Most people don't realize this. While everyone's chasing TikTok trends and building complex funnels, there's a simple strategy that's been quietly working for years. And it's not what you think. It's called email marketing, but not the boring, spammy kind. See? If you're over 40, you have something younger marketers don't. Life experience, real relationships, and trust. Here's what I mean. A 47-year-old guy named Michael felt stuck. His sales job was going digital, and he was being left behind. He tried YouTube tutorials, he took online courses, nothing clicked. But then he discovered something surprising. His age was actually his biggest advantage. Instead of trying to compete with 25-year-olds on social media, he started a simple email newsletter sharing his industry experience. No fluff, no funnels, just helpful insights from 20 years in the trenches. 6 months later, he had over 5,000 subscribers. Companies started reaching out for consulting. His income doubled. And here's the crazy part. He was doing the exact opposite of what everyone online told him to do. No fancy videos, no complicated tech, just emails. Once a week. Why did it work? Because people over 40 trust email more than any other platform. They actually open it, they read it, they respond, they buy. While young marketers are burning out trying to master every new app, Michael built a real business by hitting send once a week. Your experience? It's worth more than their energy. Your wisdom? It beats their hustle. So the question is, will you finally use your greatest advantage or keep playing a game designed for someone else? If this sounds like the shift you've been waiting for, my course, Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus, shows you how to do it. There's a free resource in the description, and you can start today.